Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to see one code with a previous question. A man is doing an experiment with the device that he built newly. The structure of the device is a below diagram. It seems like this. So BTE sloping with N holes labeled H1, H2 up to Hn. That means, so this is the B, this is the E. So this is the sloping and the holes are H1, H2, H3, H4. So holes are different diameters and depths. That means each hole have different diameter and different depth. The man is releasing m number of different diameters from the point B one after another. That means from this place the man dropping the balls. So that means each ball have different diameters. He needs to find the position of each ball after the experiment. So that means, so for example, say H1 is the one hole, H2 is another hole, H3 is another hole, so this is the H4. So all these are the with different diameters and different depths. Now the man releasing the balls from point B to point E. The speciality of the device are. So what is the speciality? A ball will fall into the hole if its diameter less than or equals to the diameter of the hole. So that means if the ball is like that, diameter, it's fall into this hole if this diameter is less than or equals to diameter of hole. And next one, a hole HI will become full if I number of holes fall into it. That means in H1 only one ball will be fall. In H2 two balls will be fall. In H3 three balls will be fall. In H4 four balls will be fall. That means is the HI I balls. So that means HN balls means N balls will be fall into this hole. That is the depth. That means every hole have two properties. One is diameter and second one is depth. So that is the second point. A hole HI will become full if I number of balls fall into it. That means in H1 only one ball will be fall into it. In H2 two balls will be fall into it. In H3 three balls. In H4 four balls. That is the second point. And third one, if a hole is full, no more balls will be fall into it. And that means if H4 is filled by four balls, then the fifth ball is not fall into the H4. The H3 is filled with the three balls, then the fourth ball not filled into the hole 3. Same like that H1 and H2. So that is the third point. Fourth point, a ball will reach the bottom point E from B if and only if it is not falling into any of the holes. That means this ball is reaching from B to E. That means that ball is not fall into any hole in that device. Now, so please help him in finding the position of balls. So position of balls is nothing but the first ball is dropped by the man. Now we are going to find that this ball is fall in which hole, or if it is reached to E, the ball is not fall into any hole. So that means this is the first hole, second hole, third hole, fourth hole. If this ball is fall into the third hole, then the 3 number is assigned to the ball. If the ball is fall into the second hole, then number 2 will be assigned to that ball. Now we can discuss with one test case. This is the test case. Input 3. So that means this device has 3 holes. The first hole diameter is 21. So that means so this is the hole H1. And second hole diameter is 3. So this is the H2. And third hole diameter is 6. So this is the H3. So now, so what is the diameter of H1? So H1 diameter is 21. And H2 diameter is 3. And H3 diameter is 6. Let us assume. So now 11. So 11 means the man releases 11 balls from point B to point E. So next means the first ball diameter is 20. So the diameter is 20, that is thrown from B to E. Now our task is the 20 is fall in which hole? So which hole? So this is the diameter 6, this is the diameter 3, this is the diameter 21. When it is fall down from 3, so this whole diameter is 6, not matched with the 20. Same like the 3. And here 21, 20. 20 is less than 20. That is the condition 1. A ball will fall into the hole if it is a diameter less than or equals to the diameter of the hole. What is the diameter of the hole here? 21. And here the diameter is 20. So it is fall down to this hole. That means so 20 is fall in first hole. So next one, that means 20 is fall in this. Next one is 15. 15 is released by the man. So 6 not matched, 3 not matched, 21 less than 15 less than 21. But the second condition is a hole HI will become full if I number of balls full into it. That means the capacity of the H1 is only one ball. Already one ball is filled. So the 15 is reached E. That means this is assigned to 0. Next 5. This is the diameter 5. Now it is fallen like this. Here 5 less than 6, true, and the whole HI will become full if I number of balls full into it. That means already there is no balls, so it is fall into. That means 5 fall in third hole. Next 7. 7 less than 6 falls. 7 less than 3 falls. 7 and less than 20 falls. So it is reaches E. So it is assigned 0. Next 10. 10 less than 6 falls. 10 less than 3 falls. 10 less than 20. But it is filled with only 1. So that is also reached 0. Next 4. 4 less than 6, true, and it is filled with only one ball. So you can fall this ball in this hole. So the 4 will fall in 3. Next ball diameter is 2. 2 less than 6, true, and it is already only 2 balls will be filled, but the number of the hole is 3. So this ball is also fall in hole 3. That means this is the 3. Next 1. The diameter of the ball is 1. Here 1 less than 6, true, but this is already filled with the 3 balls. So it is goes to the next. Here the diameter is 3. 1 less than 3, true, and there is no ball filled already. So it is fall into the 2. Next ball 3. 3 less than 6, true, but it is already filled. Next H2. 3 less than or equals to 3. True or false? True. So it is falling second hole. That means the third ball is falling 2. Next the ball is 6. 6 less than or equals to 6. True, but it is already filled. 6 less than 3 false. 6 less than or equals to 20. All these are less than or equals to. That means the diameter is less than or equals to. So next one, so it reaches E, 0. So next one, 8. 8 less than 6 false. 8 less than or equals to 3 false. 8 less than or equals to 20, true, but the number of balls is only 1 allowed, that is already filled. So this also reach 8. So it is 0. So that is the output. The expected output is the 20 is in hole 1, the 15 is reached E, 5 is in third hole, 7 reaches E, 10 reaches E, 4 in whole 3, 2 in whole 3, 1 in whole 2, 3 in whole 2, 6 reaches point E, so 0. Like that 8 is also reaches E, so the point is 0. So that is the output we are going to print. Okay. So how we can solve this? Problem? I solve this problem with dictionaries. I am taking one dictionary. In this dictionary, I store the holes. How many holes here? 3. So 0, 1, 2. And I am taking another dictionary to store all the diameters of 11 balls. That means 20 colon, 15 colon, 5 colon, 7 colon, 10, 4, 2, 1, 3, 6, 8. So these are the keys in the dictionaries. This is the one dictionary. This is another dictionary. So now we are going to store the solution here. How means? If the ball is falling in the H1, then it is filled with which ball? The 20 diameter ball is falling first. And it is 20 is 1. And next 15. So 15 not fall in any hole. So it is 0. Next 5. So 5 is fall in third hole. So it is 5. 3. 7. 7 fall in? No, 7 not fall in any hole. It reaches. So it is 0. 10. 10 also reaches C. So it is 0. 4. 4 fall in 3. So 4, 3. Next 2. 2 fall in 3. So 2. Next 1. 1 fall in second hole. Next 3 fall in second hole. Size is full. Next 6. 6 not fall in. It reaches C. Same like that 8 also. So that means at the end of the program I am going to print the values of this dictionary. 1, 0, 3, 0, 0, 3, 3, 2, 2, 0, 0. So now we are going to see the program. So we are giving input number of holes. After that diameters of holes. So after that number of balls. So after that each ball diameter. So I am taking that input Hn. So Hn equals to number of holes. So next diameter of each ball. HDL. So hole diameter list. This is the list. So next Bn. Number of balls. 11. Next BDL. Ball diameter list. This is the list. Okay. So HDL means hole diameter list. The index is 0, 1, 2. Same like that. This is the ball diameter list. Index is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Already discussed that I am taking 2 empty dictionaries. One is H. Another one is solution, to store the solution. I am taking the solution here. Okay. Next instruction, for I in range of Hn. What is a Hn? 3. So range of Hn means range of 3. That means 0, 1, 2. So H of 0 equals to empty list. Next it becomes 1. H of 1 equals to empty. Next 2. 2 column. That means h of 2 equals to empty. So this is the initiation of whole dictionary. H equals to I in range of h, and that means 3, 0, 1, 2. So 0 empty list, 1 empty list, 2 empty list. So next we are here for I in range of Bn. What is the Bn here? 11. That means it runs 11 times from 0 to 10. Next, for j in range of hn minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. What that means? What is the hn here? 3. 3 minus 1 means 2. 2 minus 1, minus 1. What is the range of? What is the output of range of 2 minus 1, minus 1? It starts from 2. Next takes 1. Next takes 0. Okay, that means it's okay. So first it is taken 2, 1, 0. Why? The device is like that, and the first hole is in the last position. So that means the ball first crosses third hole, next second hole, next first hole. So you can take that. So range of hn minus 1, minus 1, minus 1. That means you are trying to travel from third hole, second hole, first hole. Okay. For j in range of 2, minus 1, minus 1. That means what is the j value for now? 2. So listen carefully. So what is the first condition? The diameter of the ball less than or equals to the diameter of hole. So I am checking that BDL of I. What is the BDL here? So this is the BDL. So what is the I value? It is a 0. So I value equals to 0. J value equals to 2. So BDL of I means 20. Less than or equals to HDL of 2. What is the HDL of 2? 6. So 20 less than or equals to 6. It is false. So next j decremented by 1. Now 20 less than or equals to HDL of 1, 3. 20 less than 3, false. Again j decremented by 1 and it becomes 0. 20 less than or equals to 21. Yes, it is true. So we go to check another condition. And length of h of j. What is the j value? H of 0. What is the h of 0? This is the h of 0. What is the length of h of 0? 0. Less than, what is the j value? 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. 0 less than 1, true. Both the conditions are true. So we enter into the loop. H of j dot append BDL of I. That means h of j BDL of I. What is the I value? 0. That means the 20 is appended here. Next, solution BDL of I. That means here BDL of I means 20 equals to j plus 1. What is the j value? 0. 0 plus 1 means 1. That's it. Next, go to here. Now the I value becomes 1. Again, j starts from 2. So BDL of I means 15. Less than or equals to 6. False. Next, j becomes 1. 15 less than or equals to 3. False. Next it becomes 0. HDL of 0, 21. 15 less than or equals to 21. True. So we go to the next condition. So what is the length of h of j? What is the j value? 0. H of g means 1. Length of the h of j equals to 1. Less than, what is the j value? 0 plus 1, 1. 1 less than 1, false. So what that means, in the problem they are giving that at first hole we can fall only one ball. So already one ball is fallen in first hole. So no other ball is fall into the hole. So how we can write that means h of j less than j plus 1. So already the length is 1. So now we cannot insert another ball in that hole. So it is false. So that is not fallen in any hole and the break is not executed. So we go to execute else. So we can, in Python we can write else to the for loop. What the purpose of the else means? If this break statement is not executed, then this else block will be executed. In these three cases, the else block break is not executed. So else. So SOL of BDL of I, that means 15 not fall in any hole. It reaches E point. So 0. Same. Next. Now the J is incremented. What's the J? Previously it is 1. Now it is 2. So what is BDL of 2? 5. 5 less than or equals to HDL of J. What is the J value? 2. So that means 6. 5 less than or equals to 6? True. So we go to check next condition. H of 2. So this is the H of 2. What is the length of H of 2? 0. Less than. What is the J value? 2. 2 plus 1 means 3. That means in this place, this is the third hole. So 3 balls will be accommodated here. So 0 less than 3, true. So we enter into the loop. H of j dot append BDL of I. So that means here you are going to append the 5. So after that you store 5 with what's the j plus 1? 3. J value equals to 2, 2 plus 1, 3. That means so 5 fall in third hole. So next increment the I value. Now I equals to 3. That means 7. We compare 7 less than or equals to 6. False. 7 less than or equals to 3. False. 7 less than or equals to 21. Yes, it is true. So go to check next condition. What is the next condition? Length of h of j that equals to 1. Less than, what is the j value? 0. 0 plus 1, 1. That is false. Why? So we can accommodate only one ball in first hole. So already that is filled with the 20. So false. Break is not executed in this scenario. So go to else block. You can store the here. What is it? 7 not fall in any hole. Next I becomes 4. So next again j becomes 2. What is the value? 10. 10 less than or equals to 6. False. Next 10 less than 3. False. 10 less than 21. False. We go to here. We check the length. 1 less than 1. We accommodate only one ball. It is also false. So again that is stored in, that is reaches E and initiate with the 0. The next I becomes 5. That means this one. 4 less than or equals to 6. Yes, it is true. Go to here. So length of h of j. What is the length of h of j? 1 less than, what is the j value? The j value is 2. 2 plus 1, 3. That means in this place we accommodate 3 balls. 1 less than 2, 1 less than 3. So it is true. So enter into this. H of j dot append. That means here I am going to append 4. So SOL of BDL. That means here 4 colon 3. Break. Next I becomes 6. That means this is. Now 2 less than or equals to 6. True. So and we can check the length. Length equals to 2. 2 less than 3. True. So the 2 is stored in third hole. And we can append here 2 in 3. Break. Next it becomes 7. What is in the 7th location? 1. 1 less than 6. True. Go to here. But here already the length is 3. Already filled with 3 balls. And it is less than 3. false. 3 less than 3, false. So next incremented the j value, it is 1. So 1 means 1 less than or equals to 3. 1 less than or equals to 3, true. Go to here. So length of h of 1, that means this one, 0, this length, 0 less than 2. Yes, it is true. So h of j dot append. So that means here we are append 1. So after the solution, 1 colon 2. Next break. Next I becomes 8. 8 means 3. 3 less than 6, true. But here the second condition is false. Why? Already the size is 3. 3 less than 3, false. Next, 3 less than or equals to 3, true. And here we can check what is the length? 1. And it is 2. 1 less than 2, true. So we enter into the loop and store comma 3 here and here 3 colon 2. Second hole and break. Next it becomes 9. So 9 means 6. 6 less than or equals to 6, true. But here the length 3 less than or equals to 3, false. So we go to next. We check that j equals to 2. 3 less than or equals to 3, false. Directly it is false. 6 less than or equals to 21. It is true. But here the length is 1 less than 1. So that is false. So here the break is not executed. That means the ball reaches E. So solution of BDL of I equals to 0. That means 6 colon 0. And next one I becomes 10. So BDL of 10 means 8. 8 less than or equals to 6. You can check j value 2. It is false. Next 3. 8 less than 3. It is also false. Next 8 less than 21. It is true. But in this condition 1 less than 1, false. And we in these 3 cases we not execute break. So we go to else. Solution of BDL of I, that means 8 we are saying 0. So that's it. The range up to 0 to 10 we complete. So print I comma I of, for I in SOL dot values. What is the SOL dot values? 1 0 3 0 0 3 3 2 2 0 0. That's it. So this is the expected output.
Now we are going to see the program. So hn equals to int of input. So after that HDL equals to list of map of int comma input dot split. Input after that bn equals to int of input. So after that BDL equals to list of map of int comma input dot split. So after that I am taking 2 dictionaries, empty dictionaries. One is H, another one is SOL. I initiate H with empty. I in range of Hn. So that means how many holes we are defining, those are defined as a empty lists in dictionary. For I in range of Bn, for j in range of Hn minus 1 comma minus 1 comma minus 1. if BDL of I less than or equals to HDL of J, and the length of H of J less than J plus 1, then H of J dot append BDL of I. So next we can add this to SOL. SOL of BDL of I equals to J plus 1. After that we run the break. If it is not executed, we write the else to the for loop. SOL of BDL of I equals to 0. So BDL of equals to 0. That's it. Now the solution is stored in SOL dictionary, so I can print the values in that SOL. SOL dot values print I. That's it. Now I can execute this program. Save. Balls. I give the input here 3, 21, 3, 6, 11, 20, 15, 5, 7, 10, 4, 2, 1, 3, 6, 8. 1 0 3 0 0 3 3 2 2 0 0. So that's it.